Welcome back to Phronesis. I'm Damilola, and I hope your week was filled with great stories. Last week, we invited the storyteller bot into our creative process. Remember that? We learned that we don't have to wait for a lightning bolt of inspiration. We can use AI to give us that first golden thread so we can start weaving our own rugs. Good luck. I'm so excited about today's episode.
Me too, Damilola. I think this one is going to change how people look at their phones.
Exactly. Whether it was a caption for your business or a bedtime story for your kids last week, I hope you felt the relief of never facing a blank page alone. But life isn't just about writing. Sometimes life is about the things that grow, the things that break, and the things we see but don't quite understand. Today, Good Luck and I are stepping out of the office and into the garden. We're meeting the robot gardener.
But life isn't just about writing. Sometimes life is about the things that grow, the things that break, and the things we see but don't quite understand. Today, we are stepping out of the office and into the garden. We're meeting the robot gardener. To start, I've got a story for us.
Late on us.
Okay. Once upon a time, in a house with a balcony full of potted plants, there lived a woman named Zainab. Zainab loved her plants like they were her children. She had ferns, she had palms, and she had a beautiful peace lily that was her absolute pride and joy. But one morning, Zainab noticed something wrong. The edges of her peace lily's leaves were turning a strange, crispy yellow. She was worried. Did she give it too much water? Too little? Was it a bug? The sun?
The classic panic. We've all been there with a plant.
Precisely. She asked her neighbor, who said add salt. She asked her brother, and he said add sugar. Zainab was confused and terrified she would kill her favorite plant.
Salt and sugar. That's bold advice.
Exactly. That's when she remembered a small mechanical bee she had found in the garden. The bee didn't just buzz. It had a tiny lens for an eye. Zainab held the mechanical bee up to the yellow leaf. The bee didn't guess. It scanned the veins of the leaf, looked at the soil, and spoke in a clear voice. This isn't about salt or sugar, Zainab. This plant is thirsty for magnesium, and you've kept it in a pot that is too small for its roots to breathe. Move it to a bigger home, give it this specific mineral, and it will dance again. Zainab did exactly what the bee said. A week later, the yellow was gone and the green was back. The bee didn't have magic, Damilola. It just had the ability to see what Zainab couldn't.
That's a beautiful illustration, Good Luck.
And you know, in our world, that mechanical bee is computer vision.
Computer vision. Okay, so it's not just magic. Tell us what that actually means.
Right. Most people think of AI as a chat box, like typing questions. But the most powerful AI today, it has eyes. When you upload a photo to Gemini or ChatGPT, the AI isn't just looking at a picture. It is analyzing millions of data points instantly. It can identify the species of a flower, the model of a vintage car, or even the type of screw you need to fix a leaking tap.
Wow, a leaking tap. That sounds practical.
Completely. And this is the phronesis, the practical wisdom, making the right choice based on the right information. Zainab's neighbors were guessing. Guessing can be dangerous. AI takes the guesswork out of the physical world. Whether you're an interior designer trying to identify a specific fabric, a DIY enthusiast trying to fix a chair, or a parent trying to figure out what kind of spider is crawling in the corner, AI gives you the power to know instantly. It turns your smartphone into a universal translator for the physical world.
A universal translator for the physical world. I love that.
So, let's put the robot gardener to work right now. This is actually one of the most fun things you can do with AI.
Okay, listeners, are you ready? What's the first step? Good luck.
I want you to find something in your house right now that you have a question about. A plant with a spot on it, a weird tool in your kitchen drawer you never use, or even a label on a bottle of medicine or cleaning supplies that you don't understand.
Listeners, pause if you need to go find your mystery.
Okay, step 2. Once you have it, the vision scan. Open your AI app, tap the camera icon, take a clear photo of the object. If it's a plant, make sure the leaf is in focus.
Simple enough. Camera icon, clear photo. What's next?
This is the important part, the practical question. Don't just upload the photo. Give it a role and a task. Type, act as an expert gardener. Role, I just took this photo of my plant. Tell me what kind of plant this is and why the leaves look like this. Task, give me a 3-step plan to make it healthy again. Context.
Got it. Expert gardener, what is it? Why is it sick? 3 steps to fix it. Got it. And you mentioned this works beyond plants.
Oh, absolutely. That's step 4, beyond the garden. Try it with something else. Take a photo of a piece of furniture and ask, what style is this? If I wanted to sell this on a secondhand market, what should I call it in the title? Or take a photo of a strange ingredient and ask, what is this? And can you give me a simple recipe for it?
This is wild. You're no longer limited by what you know.
Exactly. You are now supported by the collective sight of every expert who has ever documented these things. You have eyes everywhere.
Wow.
As we wrap up episode 7, here is your wisdom for the week. Observation is the first step to wisdom. Most of us walk past things every day that we don't understand. We guess or we ignore them. But this week, I want you to stop and look.
Good luck. What's their homework?
Homework is simple. Take a photo of 3 things this week that you see but don't fully understand. Ask your robot gardener to explain them to you.
3 things. We want to hear about it. Tag us. #Phronesis AI Podcast. I'm Damilola, and this is the Phronesis AI Podcast. Next week, we're closing out month 2 with a bang. We're stepping into the world of sound. We're meeting the music maker and learning how to turn your hums and poems into a full, beautiful orchestra. Stay curious, keep your eyes open, and we'll see you next week.
See you next week.